look at the idea of maximums and minimums in a polynomial function and how we have to be careful when naming them. So here we have a polynomial function. You can see it over here on the left-hand side. This is a fourth degree polynomial. When we're examining this polynomial for maximums and minimums, or maxima and minima, we need to be careful to make sure we identify each point correctly. Here, at this point, at the top of this mound over here on the right, we would call this a relative maximum. That point is the highest point of those that are directly around it. Similarly, this point that's at the bottom of this mound is a relative minimum. All of the points that are directly around it are above, on the y-axis, that point. This point over here at the top of this mound on the left is also a relative maximum, but we also could call him the absolute maximum. He is the highest point of any point on this graph. He is above, on the y-axis, every other point. We cannot call this point down here an absolute minimum because this point is not the lowest point of the entire graph. He is just the bottom of this valley. We have end behavior on the right and on the left that extend way beyond the bottom of that valley. So he is just a relative minimum. Just like with this point over here, he is a relative maximum because we have this higher section of the graph over here. And it's only until we get to this point at the top of this really large peak that we have an absolute maximum.